Hi folks, just a brief video to make sure we're on the same page when setting up the portfolio assignment. So when you go to your course, I'm assuming you might have your assignments under course content. You might also have them under course information, under course content. Now in this case, I guess this is a dummy course. I just tried putting different things in. Through the build content command over here, you can add images, you can add videos, different things. You can also make tests and put tests in here. You can put regular assignments, syllabus. So once we're in course content, you go to assessments, assignment. Then we want to name this portfolio, or however you want to identify it. And then any instructions you can put in there or description. Then we go down. If you want to put in a due date, you can do that or leave it blank. It doesn't matter that much. But remember, under submission details, to pick portfolio. And I usually switch over this to multiple attempts or unlimited attempts. And then grading options, and enable delegated grading. That way all of us registered as instructors in each other's course will for sure have access. Availability, I usually leave default. Track number of views, I skip, and that's pretty much it. And then you submit this. It wants a point value. So in this case, the point value is really 0, right? Because we don't grade these. And this, again, it's like a meta assignment. It's not a specific assignment where students create a paper. So anyway, we submit this assignment, and then you should see it with your other assignments, right? And then when students are ready to submit to this assignment, they will go here, and they will see that the 0 points, and they will be asked to select portfolio, assuming they've already created the portfolio. And I sent you some instructions on how to do that. And I also think the KCC composition site has some instructions on that. But students would then, assuming you've already downloaded their essays from Turnitin or wherever you have them, or from Blackboard, and created the portfolios, then they would do select portfolio. And of course, they would find their portfolio wherever it is, and they would then submit it. Now, there's instructions for how students should submit portfolios on the instruction sheet that I have loaded onto Blackboard. I'm sorry, that I have loaded onto Blackboard, and also I'll send you a copy of that to accompany this video. But I just wanted to make sure we're all creating this the same way. Now, because when we go to look at each other's portfolios down here in the Grade Center, we click on Assignments. All the assignments you set up in Blackboard will be in there, right? In this case, I have a couple of paper assignments and a test. It doesn't show the images because that's not an assignment, right? But the portfolio will be there. And when we go to evaluate those, if you've all done this the same way, the students, you'll see a little orange circle there, which will indicate that student submitted. And then all we have to do is click on the down arrow, and well, there should be an attempt choice here. The reason it's not there is there's nothing in there yet. But once the students submit the portfolios, you'll see the orange circle, then you'll see attempt. You'll click on attempt, and it should upload the portfolio. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And I'll send the instructions that I have for students along with this as to how they create the portfolio. Just remember that they're submitting a portfolio to this assignment. They're submitting already a portfolio of already written works that they collect. It's not an assignment in the usual sense. It's like a meta assignment. Okay. If there are any questions or if that's not clear, let me know. Thank you.